Barely made it through the 60s today. It was a cold, wet one out there for most of us. Treasure Coast, you're a little bit less, but you're going to get your full share here coming up by tomorrow. It does look like we're shifting the focus of the rain now a little bit north, and I'll show you that in a minute. First, off and on showers continue here through the area. Just basically a cold, damp evening out there. If you're heading out, grab the umbrella. You're going to need it. And even tomorrow, too, still looks like a cool, wet day. Stationary front here down to the south. This will turn into a warm front by tomorrow and lift a little bit up to the north as we await this little piece of energy here with spark low pressure to form along that front. Drag it all on top of us right over South Florida, and that will mean chances for rain will be pretty high. Depending on how far north the warm front gets, that will be our chance for severe weather. And we got put in the marginal category here just for South County. But since we're just so close to the line here, if that warm front goes up a little bit farther north, that means a severe weather threat for a lot of the area. So keep that in mind tomorrow, that we have that potential for some stronger storms. And if you go outside and it feels warm and stickier than what you saw today, then your potential will be high. All right, so temperatures, or higher. Temperatures right now are still pretty cool all the way down the coast here. Even in Miami, 62 degrees and raining. Treasure Coast, not a whole lot of rain yet, but again, your turn is coming. Cold and wet here through the evening hours. High rain chances here off and on. I don't expect a solid shield of rain quite yet. That's going to come tomorrow, and that severe weather threat is going to be mainly from noon to, say, midnight, maybe a little bit later. So Vero Beach tomorrow, cold and wet and windy, 65 degrees only for a high, so it'll be a raw day out there. Boca, you have that thunderstorm chance, and you'll be a little bit warmer into the low 70s. Here, let's track it on Vipercast. So just waves of rain continue through the overnight hours. Notice, though, it shifts northward here as the low moves to our south, or just about right on top of us. We see all that rain shield farther up to the north, and then it swings back down once the low passes, and we get rain chances to continue into Monday night or Sunday night, early Monday morning, before finally kicking that out, and we'll slowly clear out Monday afternoon. Rainfall totals, we have shifted this up. So this is by Sunday morning, picking up another inch or so, and then the bullseye is farther to the north now. We were thinking originally it was farther down to the south. Now it has shifted a little bit farther north, anywhere from 2 to 4 inches in this red area here, and locally we could see higher numbers. Good news, though, because the severe drought is exactly in that area, so it'll be nice to maybe take a little chunk out of that. Rain ends by Monday afternoon, and then we have slim rain chances after that. And our high temperatures stay pretty cool. We get another cold front on Wednesday, so that'll keep temperatures below average here all the way through pretty much the whole week. Small craft advisory, much windier on the Treasure Coast as that low moves right on top of us here. The beach forecast, not the best of beach days. It's going to be cool and wet. 7-day forecast. Few cold fronts this week will keep us chilly all week long, even going into Saturday.